Hi everyone. Please watch this episode carefully. This is an introduction to the series of episodes I'm going to make and upload on my YouTube channel on the topic focus, attention and concentration. It's a very important series of episodes I'm going to make. It is relevant not only for students but for everybody. All of us have two systems, the mind and the brain. Brain is identical, mind is different. Unless and until the mind and the brain integrate with each other, cooperate with each other, you cannot do anything effectively. I don't know how many of you would have read the book Emotional Intelligence by Daniel Goleman. I was listening to his lecture on his recent book Focus. I was so impressed about the book that I decided to do these series of episodes. Let me take the example of a dilemma of a student today. This is the size of a book for a plus 2 student studying, in this case it is law. If he wants to qualify for CLAT, Combined Law Admission Test, this is the content he should take. You see the size of the book of a plus 2 child, whether it is physics, chemistry, mathematics, economics, accountancy, anything, whichever board he is studying. It is voluminous. He has to take everything in his mind. The process is not like having a container and filling it up with content. This is not the case with reference to studies. It's a mechanical process. As long as you are able to drop it properly, it will go in. In the case of studies, the role played by the mind, attention, focus, concentration are very important. You see, these days all of us are wedded to some gadget or other. Some information is always coming to us. You go to any family, you go to any social party, you see a husband and wife talking to each other. They don't look at each other eye to eye, but most of them are fiddling around some information on the YouTube, Facebook, Instagram or WhatsApp. So our attention is besieged like never before. Besiege means surround a place with an army. You will see, I will try to put some subtitles here so that it's very clear to you. So attention is being besieged. That means attention is being attacked by various people, 360 degrees. And one finds it difficult to remain focused. Information consumes a lot of attention. Wealth of attention creates poverty of attention. You get wealthy by information, but you become poor in attention. If you want to read, if you want to do any work with focus, you need attention. So more and more of information. For example, when I start writing, all of a sudden my smartphone rings, cling. I am tempted to go and see what's there latest for me. That's what I say, poverty of attention. We need to develop what is called a selective attention in us. To focus all our attention on the thing which is in front of us. If you are writing, selective attention to writing. If you are speaking to somebody, selective attention to that. If you are in a classroom, selective attention. But this is where we are not able to do. We have to select to where our attention should go. And we are suffering by what is called distractions. Distractions are of two kinds, sensory and emotional. I am writing something and all of a sudden I hear something, a cling, or my telephone rings, or somebody passes that side, my eyes watch that, or aroma of a food in the kitchen, sensory. Or hear a sound, sensory. Emotional, I think of, oh, how can it happen to me? How can he can do this to me? You know, that kind of an emotional anger. Right? Emotions, two distractions. The more we are focused, the better we can do anything. Next time you watch a cricketer playing, or a footballer taking a ball to the goal post, or a chess player, or a swimmer, or an athlete, look at their concentration. The more they focus, the better they can achieve. If a student has to read a book, here is the statistics. While you are reading a book, 20 to 40% of the time your mind is wandering. The mind goes away from the book. And once it goes, it is difficult to bring it back. In normal times, the mind is wandering 50% of the time. So that means, if you are working 4 hours, that means effectively you have worked only 2 hours. Success belongs to the person who is making productive use of time, which means 4 hours means 4 hours. I want you to ask this question. What are you doing now? And what are you thinking? At any point of time, pause and ask this question. What am I doing? And where is my mind? This is the content of a series of episodes I am going to upload. And we will teach you what is called attention gym. Let me explain simple what is attention gym. You take a body gym. You go to a gym, want to improve your muscle. A simple theory is, if I go on doing this, the muscles here, they shape. The more and more and more I do it. Similarly, attention gym means whenever your mind wanders, bring it back, bring it back, bring it back. The problem is we don't train our mind like this. So in these series of episodes, I am going to discuss how to focus. This will be very useful, especially for students. The next 2 months are so critical for the board exam. It is useful for any student, anybody, any executive, any housewife, any sports person, any professional. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell button. And from next week onwards, I'll be uploading. And this will be the content of my webinar that I do on Sundays. I will try to do a couple of episodes on this. All the best. See you in my next episode.